Learn Gujarati business terms. Value added depth to scale effect with.
મૂલ્યવર્ધન ઊંડાણ.
And.
સ્કેલ અસર.
Welcome to the business jungle. Hey, you're about to learn some seriously smart Gujarati business words without falling asleep on a spreadsheet. Let's make finance sound a little less scary and a lot more memorable. Imagine you walk into a company where the coffee is weak, the meetings are long, and yet somehow everyone keeps saying important things. Your mission is simple: understand them. Today you will meet 8 useful terms. First comes value added depth, which in Gujarati is
મૂલ્યવર્ધન ઊંડાણ.
then capital allocation,
મૂડી ફાળવણી.
contribution margin,
ફાળો માર્જિન.
cost structure,
ખર્ચ માળખું.
profitability,
નફાકારકતા.
liquidity reserve,
તરલતા અનામત.
risk management,
જોખમ વ્યવસ્થાપન.
and scale effect.
સ્કેલ અસર.
Yes, it sounds like you just unlocked CEO mode. A very dramatic factory tour. Let's start with a story, because numbers behave better when they are inside a little drama. You just joined a factory where everyone speaks in business buzzwords. The manager points at a machine and says, "We want more."
મૂલ્યવર્ધન ઊંડાણ.
You nod like a genius, but inside your brain a tiny hamster is spinning wildly. What does it mean? It means the company wants to do more production steps in-house. More internal steps, more value created inside the company. Then the finance chief enters dramatically, probably because finance chiefs enjoy dramatic entrances, and announces, "Our
મૂડી ફાળવણી.
must improve." That means capital allocation, deciding where the company's money should go. Put money in the right project, and the business grows. Put it all into decorative office fish tanks, and maybe less so. Later, an accountant whispers, "Watch the
ફાળો માર્જિન.
This is the contribution margin, the amount left after variable costs. In plain English, after each sale, how much useful money is still standing and not crying in the corner. The spreadsheet strikes back. Now you are ready for the next level, the company's favorite indoor sport, staring at spreadsheets. Don't worry, I'll translate the pain. The team studies the
ખર્ચ માળખું.
That means cost structure, or how costs are organized in the business. If someone says, "We changed the,"
ખર્ચ માળખું.
they mean the company changed how expenses are arranged or managed. Then comes the star of every serious meeting.
નફાકારકતા.
Meaning profitability. A company can have big sales and still weak.
નફાકારકતા.
Yes, business loves plot twists. And when everyone suddenly becomes nervous about emergency cash, they discuss
તરલતા અનામત.
the liquidity reserve. Think of
તરલતા અનામત.
as the money umbrella for a rainy financial day. Dialogue in the boardroom of mild panic. Listen to this mini scene and notice how the Gujarati words fit into natural business talk. You can repeat after each line if you want. Manager, do we have enough?
તરલતા અનામત.
For unexpected bills? Accountant, yes, but only if our
મૂડી ફાળવણી.
stays disciplined. Operations lead, we should increase.
મૂલ્યવર્ધન ઊંડાણ.
By doing more production ourselves. Sales chief, fine, but please protect the
ફાળો માર્જિન.
discounts are not magic. Analyst, our
ખર્ચ માળખું.
also needs a review. CEO, exactly. Better.
જોખમ વ્યવસ્થાપન.
And stronger.
નફાકારકતા.
Please. Intern, nervously. And maybe snacks? CEO, snacks are not a strategy. Unless they improve.
સ્કેલ અસર.
Quote. Quick memory tricks. Let's make these words stick in your memory like a sticky note on a laptop you forgot to shut down. Use images, gestures, and a little silliness. 4.
મૂલ્યવર્ધન ઊંડાણ.
Picture a factory getting deeper and deeper with more internal steps. 4.
મૂડી ફાળવણી.
Imagine dividing a pile of gold coins into smart little boxes. 4.
ફાળો માર્જિન.
Picture revenue walking in, costs walking out, and one useful amount staying behind. 4.
ખર્ચ માળખું.
Imagine a skeleton made of receipts. 4.
નફાકારકતા.
See a happy graph rising upward wearing sunglasses. 4.
तरलता अनामत.
Picture a water tank full of emergency cash. 4.
जोखम व्यवस्थापन.
Imagine a shield blocking flying financial bananas. 4.
स्केल असर.
See a tiny shop magically turning into a huge factory. Mini quiz time. Okay, your brain has heard the words. Now let's see if it was actually listening. No pressure. Even the imaginary intern is rooting for you. What is the Gujarati term for value-added depth?
मूल्यवर्धन ઊંડાણ.
What is the Gujarati term for capital allocation?
મૂડી ફાળવણી.
What is the Gujarati term for contribution margin?
ફાળો માર્જિન.
What is the Gujarati term for cost structure?
ખર્ચ માળખું.
What is the Gujarati term for profitability?
નફાકારકતા.
What is the Gujarati term for liquidity reserve?
तरलता अनामत.
What is the Gujarati term for risk management?
जोखम व्यवस्थापन.
What is the Gujarati term for scale effect?
स्केल असर.
Your final challenge. Now try speaking like the calmest business expert in the room. Preferably the one who actually knows where the budget went. Say this summary aloud. The company improved its.
મૂડી ફાળવણી.
Reviewed its.
ખર્ચ માળખું.
Protected its.
तरलता अनामत.
And strengthened.
જોખમ વ્યવસ્થાપન.
As a result.
નફાકારકતા.
Improved. Bonus round. More.
મૂલ્યવર્ધન ઊંડાણ.
And better.
સ્કેલ અસર.
Can support a stronger.
ફાળો માર્જિન.
Quote. If you said that smoothly, congratulations, you now sound alarmingly employable. Friendly wrap up. Nice work. You just learned business Gujarati without being trapped in a 12-hour seminar with stale biscuits. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these words out loud.
મૂલ્યવર્ધન ઊંડાણ. મૂડી ફાળવણી. ફાળો માર્જિન. ખર્ચ માળખું. નફાકારકતા. तरलता અનામત. જોખમ વ્યવસ્થાપન.
And.
સ્કેલ અસર.
Come back, repeat them, and use them in your own sentences. You are doing great, and with practice, these terms will start to feel natural.